Don't you wish there was a better way to do circuit creation outside of a lab?
Yeah! Yeah! You're right.
Hey, I'm Alejandro.
Hi, I'm Victor.
I'm Mark.
I'm Jesse.
I'm Evelyn.
And we're going to be showing you guys a presentation as well as a live demo as to where we are now. Enjoy.
Welcome to the AR/VR Circuit Logic Design Brief. Before we begin, the goal of this project is to create a game that is both fun and educational. This game is aimed at students in engineering departments as a way to learn about, test, and prototype circuits without the need for physical circuit components. Now we will get into the background of this project.
This is Short Circuit VR, one of the major inspirations for the project. This game provides a virtual environment where you can explore circuit design and simulation. Short Circuit VR focuses mainly on entertainment and exploration. However, our game will focus more on the educational aspect. For Short Circuit, we feel that there's a lack of instruction and feedback to the player. On the other hand, we plan to offer tutorial stages, time challenges, and detailed feedback. We hope this will allow novices to learn more about circuit design and offer challenging objectives for veterans.
For our VR integration, we decided to go with Steam VR. Steam VR itself is an extremely powerful tool that has given us a solid foundation to work from, as it provides us with multiple assets and examples as to how to make a functioning VR game. As Jesse was saying, Short Circuit VR was an inspiration to us, and that inspiration led us to having 4 possible modes available to the player. The 4 modes are an interactive main menu, a tutorial mode, a time trial mode, and a free build mode. In this image, you can see some initial concepts for what kind of models we might have needed in order to have the user create and test a circuit. As we go further into this presentation, you will see that some of these model ideas had changed in favor of a more pleasant user experience.
Moving on to some example models. Here we have environmental models, the door, starting room, and main menu room. Here we have some environmental props meant to populate space, like shelves, workbench, toolbox, TV, sign, and screwdriver. A couple more examples. We have here a participation trophy, multimeter, multimeter probe, LED, and breadboards.
On this slide, we have a gray box prototype. We use this prototype as both a means of testing some basic circuit logic as well as creating an environment that would allow us to test color palettes.
And here we have the component wall where the user will be able to select the component they wish to spawn.
Now to the live demo.
So here's our main menu scene. Here you can see 3 of the scenes that we talked about in our presentation. On the right, you can see here there's buttons to select either left-hand movement or right-handed movement. But since I'm a righty, I'm going to stick with right-handed movement. Okay, so now I'm going to teleport into our test scene. Here you can see a loading screen is going to take me into the scene. Okay, so first I'm going to show you a clock that we're going to use in our time trials. I'm going to start it here. We'll stop it now. Also, we do have background music. This adds life to the game. Okay, now I'm going to teleport over to our breadboard table, and I'm going to create a simple circuit. So first I'm going to grab the wire model. This wire, note that this wire is a temporary model. It's just a placeholder. Start creating the circuit. I'm going to grab the first resistor. Place it like this. Another wire. Place like this, and then another resistor. Now I'm going to take the final wire and complete the circuit, and then click simulate. So here we have result pop-ups. Okay, now I'm going to show you the models that we've created.
Hi, me again. Hopefully you found our presentation to be both interesting and exciting. Our team does plan to continue work on this project even after the semester is concluded, as we see this project as a revolutionary approach to teaching and education, and it can be explored even further. Again, we thank you for stopping by, and we hope you have a great rest of your Imagine RIT day.